Hello. Some people ask about how to reverse a trailer. Now, the trailer I'm riding at the moment actually has, if we look in the mirror, has outrigger things on there to make it easier to see on both sides. Bear in mind this is my car. But the easiest way to reverse trailers is you're looking in the mirrors and you see the wheel arch of the trailer. So when you see the wheel arch, you turn the steering wheel that way. Okay. All right. Now we go over to this side, and I can see the steering wheel, and that's the wheel arch in that one. So I just bring the wheel back, and you just slowly go down, forward and back, until you end up down the boat ramp. It's a very simple thing. You just gently take your time. Bring the trailer down the boat ramp. So the key there is, as I said, whatever mirror you see it in, that's the way you turn. Basically keeps the trailer straight. There we go. I normally put the trailer in about halfway up the wheels, so you can see that there. Hopefully it's coming out good and thing. About halfway up the wheels. That's all you need. You've got drop down rollers on the back of the trailer. Okay, hope that helps.